Okay. All right, guys. Today is garlic hauling day. We're going to be harvesting all this garlic. I think there's about 400 bulbs in here, or heads in here. So I'm excited to get into there and see what we find. So come along and let's harvest some garlic together. Welcome to the Roots Revival with Food Prude, where we're going back to our roots and learning old-fashioned ways in a modern world. Hi, I'm Laura Lawrence, and I'm glad you're here with me. All right, we're harvesting the garlic today, and you'll notice that there are several different leaves that are yellow, so it is time to go ahead and harvest and see what we have and unearth it. All right, we're digging up the garlic today, and I just wanted to show you exactly how I am digging it. I'm using just any type of tool like this. This is a Wilcox All Pro, or you could use a spade or maybe even a potato digger, as long as you're careful. So we're just digging farther away from the garlic head itself, just to make sure I'm not damaging anything. I'm just unearthing it like this, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take off the dirt and put the worms back into the garden. But I'm not going to touch any of the bulbs right here because they're really sensitive skin right now, and they're going to get cured for a couple months, for about 6 to 8 weeks, and then they'll get that nice papery skin on there that'll help them be preserved, and you'll be able to have garlic for the year.